Have you ever wondered what happens in space in just 1 second? Do you know why astronauts fear the smallest mistake, even for a fraction of a second? Have you thought about where your body would end up if you stepped into space without a suit, even for one heartbeat? And have you ever imagined how the universe transforms? Stars exploding, black holes feeding, galaxies colliding, all within a single second? Well, today, we are diving into the true meaning of 1 second in space, a place where time behaves differently. Physics bends, and reality becomes stranger than science fiction. This is what 1 second in space really looks like. On Earth, 1 second is nothing. You blink, that's 0.3 seconds. Your heartbeat, almost 1 second. But in space, 1 second is enough for the universe to create, destroy, and transform entire worlds. Let's break it down. What happens to an astronaut in 1 second? Without a spacesuit in space, if you remove your helmet, within 1 second, your blood does not boil instantly, but water on your tongue and eyes starts evaporating. Your chest expands because of pressure difference. Oxygen drops rapidly. You lose consciousness in 10 to 12 seconds, but damage begins from the very first second. Temperature doesn't kill you instantly, vacuum does. With a spacesuit, your suit pumps oxygen, regulates temperature, and protects against radiation. But even then, 1 second matters. Every 1 second, astronauts travel approximately 7.9 kilometers around Earth in ISS orbit. That's like crossing an entire big city in 1 second. 1 second in deep space. Outside Earth's orbit, space becomes brutal. In 1 second, 20,000 plus cosmic rays hit your body. You travel 300,000 kilometers if you move at light speed. A black hole can stretch you by millimeters. Spaghettification begins slowly but constantly. A gamma ray burst can release more energy than the sun will emit in its entire lifetime. Space is not silent. The universe is always active. What 1 second looks like near a star near the sun releases. 600 million tons of mass lost every second, 600 million tons of hydrogen fused in 1 second. Energy equal to 1 trillion nuclear bombs released every second. Every single second, solar flares. In 1 second, a solar flare can heat plasma to 20 million degrees Celsius, enough to destroy satellites. What happens in 1 second near a black hole? This is where things get crazy. Near a black hole, time slows down. Space stretches. Gravity bends the laws of physics. If you spend 1 second near a supermassive black hole, for people far away, years could pass. This is called time dilation, Einstein's theory of relativity. Your 1 second could be someone else's 10 seconds or 10 years. Time itself loses meaning. 1 second for galaxies. In 1 second, our galaxy, the Milky Way, moves 220 kilometers through space. The Andromeda galaxy gets 110 kilometers closer to colliding with us. Over 300 stars explode somewhere in the observable universe. You heard that right. Every single second, hundreds of stars go supernova. Light in 1 second, light travels 299,792 kilometers in 1 second. That's from Earth to the Moon and back almost. Across the entire USA 100 times. Around the Earth 7.5 times. But that's just our scale. In space, that distance is nothing. 1 second on different planets. Jupiter 1 second storms move 5 times faster than hurricanes on Earth. Mercury. No air temperature changes by 1 degree Celsius every second. Neutron star gravity is so intense that if you drop a pebble, in 1 second it hits the surface at 7 million kilometers per hour. Cosmic events in 1 second. A neutron star rotates 700 times in 1 second. A pulsar beams radio signals that sweep Earth like a lighthouse. Cosmic dust forms new molecules. The early universe, after the Big Bang, expanded faster than light in its first seconds. 1 second is enough for the universe to reshape itself. Why 1 second in space feels different, time depends on gravity, velocity, space-time curvature. So if two twins separate, one stays on Earth, one travels near light speed when they meet again, the space traveler will be younger. This is proven by actual experiments. Atomic clocks on planes, GPS satellites, cosmic ray muons. Time is not absolute. Your second is not the universe's second. If you could watch the universe in 1 second, here's what you'd see. A star being born, a star dying, black holes swallowing matter, planets colliding, light traveling across unimaginable distances, dark matter shaping galaxies, dark energy expanding the universe, cosmic rays flying at near light speed, space stretching itself. The universe is alive every second. So the next time you look at your watch and a second passes, remember, for the universe, that second meant creation, destruction, evolution, and transformation. While we blink, the cosmos writes new stories every moment. This is what 1 second in space truly looks like.